I'm in a 2015 Subaru Legacy, and today I'm going to show you how to check your oil level. So first you open the hood and turn the vehicle off. And over here, you'll find your dipstick, which you'll pull all the way out. Wipe clean with a good rag or paper towel, and then stick all the way back in. And then pull it out again. And then you check these dots. There's a dot towards the left and a dot towards the right. The left is the full dot, and the right is the low dot. So you pretty much want on the left dot or really close to it. And if it's lower than that for some reason, you might need to add some oil. But you'll put this all the way back in. And then over here, this is where you'd add your new oil. Make sure you're using the proper type of oil, as well as the same synthetic, conventional, or brand you've been using ideally, better not to mix and match. But you'll also unscrew this, take a funnel or your quart jug and just fill as needed. Try not to overfill as well, because that could cause issues. And then screw this back on nice and tight. At this point, then I would turn on the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate that new oil, turn it off, and then repeat the process from the very beginning with this dipstick to see if we're on the full mark now. And all this said, I wouldn't do any of this in replacement of your regular oil changes, which typically, depending on vehicle mileage, engine type, type of oil, things like that, you do between usually 3,000 to 8,000 miles or so. When you do those, you put the vehicle on a slight lift so you can get to the oil pan. You pull the oil plug to drain all the oil out, replace any filters as needed, screw the oil plug back in, and then from here again you'll add all the oil recommended for your particular motor type for an oil change. Screw this back on tight, then start the motor for like 5 seconds or so to circulate the new oil, turn it off, and then once again from the original process with this dipstick, we'll check to see if we're on the full. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.